Hello everyone, this is the second video for a 1979 Pontiac Grand Prix. Extremely original car with only 858 original miles. Documented, always garage kept, in excellent condition. We're going to do a startup video, showing everything that works, lights and buzzers and everything. Car was shipped to Marmos Pontiac in Music, PA. Here it shows some of the options right there. There's the important one: 4-speed manual transmission, 301 4-barrel V8, and that is the only way that you can get a 4-speed in a 79 Grand Prix to have a 301 4-barrel. It was painted the rare color of Starlight Black with a vinyl blue interior, which is a little odd. Extremely original car. Original tires, interior, paint, weather stripping, everything. I'm going to open this up. That's a little annoying, so we'll take it off for right this second. Now, there is the exact miles. It's hard to see it, I'm sorry. 858. All the gauges function. The clock has a mind of its own, and sometimes it works and sometimes it doesn't. AM radio only. Bucket seats, though. Center console, of course. Factory 4-speed. And it is a factory Hurst shifter. Only 220 some factory 4-speed 79 Grand Prix exist. So it's a rare option. A lot of dealers didn't even know that it was available. That's what I've read. It's odd, but hence probably why the low production number. Interior is just immaculate. Headliner is perfect. Sun visors are perfect. There's the original decal. All the courtesy lights work, buzzers work. Seats are just immaculate condition. No rips, no tears, nothing to speak of. Nice and soft, pliable. Dash, no fades, no nothing. Horn works. Look in the trunk. Let's see here. All original trunk, spare tire, jack assembly. There's the manual for the jack assembly. That's exactly where they were from new. Wiring, beautiful, nice and bright. Here's your original sticker for the jack assembly. Courtesy light works. Jams perfect. Just a super clean car all the way around. Give a nice startup. All right. All the gauges function. Good oil pressure. Go around, show you how the lights work. Open up the hood as well. It's on a little fast idle because it's a little chilly in the garage, but I'll show you the high beam indicator works, high beams work. Again, horn works. Kick down, works properly. There she is, idling, firm like kitten. Very clean engine compartment. Got a little surface rust right there, but actually it's not even surface rust. It's just the little bit of gold has come off through the years right there. That is about it. I mean, in here it's very clean. These bolts are supposed to be colored. Why Pontiac did that, don't know, but they are supposed to be colored. We'll just sit and idle like this all day long. Just an incredibly well-kept car, always garage kept. 853 original validated miles on a super rare factory 4-speed 1979 Grand Prix. Starlit black with blue vinyl interior. And it was ordered with limited slip posi rear. The gentleman that owned it was really old at the time when he bought this. And he had a 65, just like it. Same color combination, 4-speed, and that's why he got this. And he ordered it a certain way, which was posi rear. It is on here. See if I can find it quick for you. But anyway, it's here somewhere. There it goes. Limited slip differential. Bucket seats, center console, gauge cluster package, disc brakes, power steering. I hope this shows the extent of the car. Any questions, please feel free to ask. Thanks again.